I'm Beth the Builder, and I know it's been a while. I will be live streaming more, but currently I'm struggling to get into my YouTube account because when you don't sign into it for over a year, they don't like that. So I will be live streaming more in the future because I just don't have time to do lots of edits and stuff like I used to for lots of reasons. Um, one of which is being a parent and also projects. So we bought some land and a house and buildings. We've got more projects than Beth the Builder even knows what to do with, but lots of opportunities to show you guys really cool stuff. And I will probably be getting like a website in the future because lots of reasons. Um, and then I'll be just posting everything like live to there or videos, etc. I'll try and get in my Google YouTube account because otherwise you won't see this. So that's what's up. Lots has changed for me and my little unit of people, and this is the big event. Obviously, I was pregnant. Now I have a child. He is over a year old now, and I have not been doing much of any projects because that's just how it goes. But this is the big one, buying land and property. So, uh, we got lots to do. I'm here today. We'll just walk back here. You remember my chickens? So that's the biggie for why we're getting some property is we are going, the whole thing, okay? We're going to court about our chickens. Because the current place that I live decided that they're gonna go after people with chickens even though they were allowing it. It's a whole thing. I don't want to talk about it. But anyway, so we'll have lots of room for this here little flock of chickens and other endeavors. And we're gonna get just real homesteady out here. Trees and grass and buildings, lots of space, cool stuff, very rural. I'm pumped. So that is the news. Oh God, pigeons. Ugh. It's a little bit creepy out here, so I go during the day because it's just still new and weird. So that's what's up. Stay tuned for more things. I'll just be live streaming. I'll try and like plan them ahead of time for you guys so you can actually like tune in. But we'll see how that goes because it's all contingent on all the things. So I hope you're all staying well. I hope you are checking out all the carving people and stuff. You guys, you're good people out there. I'm taking inspiration from Jordy, who's just like raw, uncut man. He just does stuff and then is like, I don't know. That's my Jordy impersonation. Shout out to Carving Fusion if that's still your channel name. Yeah, it is, right? But Jordy, he's awesome. And all the people who have come over and liked my stuff and been really supportive of me, I really appreciate it. And, you know, keep carving, keep doing weird stuff, projects. We will have an endless list of projects here, which is really exciting for me and also very daunting because previously I would just plow through and do like a whole laundry list of tasks, 1,000 projects for Beth the Builder. And now I can't really do that because I'm a parent and someone has to watch this small child who's always trying to like get into mischief and, you know, fall downstairs and things like that. So, which I love. I love being a parent. It is probably the most rewarding thing I've ever done in my life, which is like such a cliche, but it's true. So, but I really have missed projects, and this is a biggie. So I've been pushing to move and buy some property for a couple years now, and finally the stuff with our chickens happened, and my husband was like, "That's it! Like, have at it, Beth. Go for it. Look at properties." And I was like, "Yes!" And I did it. So found some cool places, found some garbage heaps, and this one is in the middle. There's some garbage, there's some weird stuff, and there's also so much potential. So, chickens, homesteading, we're gonna get some goats at some point, and you're just gonna like hear about all my weird thoughts about why this is valuable and more people should be doing it, investing in themselves, really, because I think there's a push for people to be not self-reliant, if you know what I mean, to be reliant on the systems. So, and this is the opposite of that. So literally projects on projects on projects, things that we're just going to have to tackle and figure out as we go. And yeah, I'm very excited, very daunted. Is that, can I use it that way? It's daunting, you know, to go into a place and be like, here's 1 bajillion things that you have to do. But you can't look at it that way, okay? And you have to be able to see past the trash and the weeds, just weeds and weeds. Like, you have to be able to see past that and see the potential in property and land. And it's always there, even if you have to look really, really hard. And some people are better at that than others. I think I'm really good at that. I'm also very good at problem solving and the hands-on stuff. So, yeah, that's what's up. So thanks for hanging in there. You know, I've still gained subscribers, and that's really cool considering I haven't been doing anything. And it will just be different for me now going forward. I've missed projects and doing stuff like this, but that's what happens when you know, gain a person in your life. So yeah, it's already getting dark. It's not even 4 o'clock, but it's just like overcast today. So I'll probably be wrapping up what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into my spooky house. It's not so spooky. It's just dirty and full of stuff. But yeah, so thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. I will be scheduling live streams. I'll be trying to post more things about what's up with this so you guys can follow along on my journey of moving out into the country. I'm going to be embracing my rural roots and learning how to say yeehaw again. I've never sincerely said yeehaw in my life, but it's there. And so is my husband and my baby. We're all going to yeehaw it up. No. Yes, we are. So yeah, I appreciate y'all and hang in there with me. I'll see you on the flippity flip.